by E. Copernicus, by Ryan's Paint and Auto Body Center, and Square Butte Farm. I think Shonda's the only sweet thing in there today. Look out, Shonda, here he comes. That looks like a little horizon. Whoa! Kapow! We call this the headbanger derby, huh? There's trying to get some fire lit up in her. I wonder how many of the women are cheering for car 78. I think they're starting to sneak away from that zippy hole. Which one? Car number 84, Cole Sandow, is out on time. Failed to make a hit within the 2-minute time limit. Tell him thank you, Shonda. He pushed you out of that old mud hole. That won't go. Okay. There we go. Oh, yeah. So we have car number 7, that's Cat Cunningham out of Wilton. Mike Fryer, car number 15. He's out of New Salem. We have Taylor Kane out of Bismarck in car number 20. Oh, a 4-car pileup. Sandwich time. Oh, one more. Car number 69 is out on time. Delton Renfeld out on time. Dave. So who we have left? Car number 7, Cat Cunningham. We got car number 15, Mike Fryer. We got car number 20, Taylor Kane. And we got... Hold your fire, drivers. Hold it up. And we still have Shonda Baumgartner in car number 78. Those 4 remain. Them pieces almost look too big to be off in the Herby car. look out. Hold your fire. Okay, resume. Sean the Baumgartner grabbing gears there. Look out, here he comes. Derby cars through the arena, please. I'm not sure just what's transpired here. Look out, here it comes again.
Oh, surprise. I actually don't know.
That's putting yourself in a vulnerable position.
Okay, maybe you'll take a cell phone with. I would suggest you do that. Is that what that would be?
That car number 15 is a 1987 Mazda.
Okay, look at the parts.
Hey, Monty Fisher, our fearless water truck driver, if you could come up to the announcer stand, please. Monty Fisher. Oh, there he goes with another one. he needs to start up a record service, I believe. Or maybe he's got one. Look out. What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? I think they can hear you down there. Oh, that'd be a shame to blow that engine now. 78, car 78 is out on time. Failed to make a hit. Thank you, Sonda. You put on a good show. I'm not sure, but some little gal just said she thinks that's a traffic jam down there. I don't know. The gal just told me I think that's a traffic jam down there.
We're getting low on water here, girl.
Taylor Kane in car number 20. He's just trying desperately to get back into the arena. Mike Fryer trying desperately to put him out of commission. Oh, here he comes. Look out. It ain't over till it's over. I think he's right back where he started from there. Tyler Kane, is it? Taylor. Car number 7 is out on time.
He's fishing.
Okay, so we have Mike Fryer, car number 15, and we have Taylor Kane, car number 20. Mighty lot of smoke coming out of that 15. There, he's getting some traction. Go get him, partner. Uh-oh, look out. Good for the goose is good for the gander. Oh, he's got a little bit left there yet. There was a little cream puff touch there. I think 15 might have blown a piston or something. Or knocked the rod out. Okay. Is it Tyler or Taylor? Taylor Kane, if you can get... Okay. Is that it? Yeah, let's hear it for both of them. What a heck of a show. Thank you. Taylor Kane in car number 20, I believe, had the last hit. And Mike Fryer out of New Salem, North Dakota. Mighty fine show, guys.